Can you reciprocate the energy? I don't know if you are feeling me, but for now I don't have time to sit and wait.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. So today is another beautiful Saturday and I'm going to be sharing a day in my life. Saturdays are usually the most stressful for me and the most eventful. So I have a doctor's appointment today. I'll be going for that, and then I have my road test attempt 3 today. You know what they say, third time's a charm. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I pass my road test and I get my freaking driver's license. And then I have a couple of assignments that I need to complete today, so I can start reading for economics finals today and throughout the week. And Monday, I'm thinking I might not go to class on Monday, so I can just take time to prepare for my economics finals on Wednesday. So that's what's up. Right now I'm dressed. I'm just wearing this with a bra top inside and some sweatpants, and I would be heading out to the hospital. And right after, I'll be going to Best Buy to get the new lens, vlogging lens, because this doesn't really do much. It just like shows, yeah, but it would be nice to have like a, you know what I mean. I'm gonna do that, get the lens, get the mount light, order my replacement batteries because this battery is becoming really weak. So I'm gonna do that, and that's basically it for today. I have a meeting with my friend. We're studying together, so once I'm done with all this and the meeting and the road test and reading, then I'll call her and then we can just go through like the problem set for exams. I have my sunglasses because it's gonna start. The last time I missed my appointment, ooh, I have my, let me just make sure I have my ID and my insurance card, even though, you know, it's no longer valid because I left my job. But let's see. Yup, let's head out.
Can you reciprocate the energy? I don't know if you are feeling me, but for now I don't have time to sit and wait. No, no.
I just need to confirm that I'm going to the right place. So my chart, 15 minutes drive. So guys, I'm currently at the clinic. I'm just waiting for my time. They have me put this to let everyone know that I've been vaccinated. Let the doctors know that I've been vaccinated. I don't think it should take that long. It usually just takes like 30 minutes, so I should be out of here by 9. I just got done at the clinic. I'm on my way, about to start heading home. I don't know if I should stop at Best Buy. I want to get a good, what is it called, wide angle lens for vlogging, because this one is not just working for me. It's too close. I would have liked something, you know, like this, but if I'm to get this, I have to stretch my hand like really far, which I'm not okay with, and then the back is not blurred as I would like. But yeah, that's basically everything currently ongoing. I'm going to just put it, I need to get back home before 10. Oh, today is such a busy day. Let's see. I have a feeling these guys won't have what I need. They'll probably ask me to go to Roseville, but if they don't have it, I guess I'll just go home. 21 minutes drive.
Head southeast on South 8th Street. Starting route to 11.
Just went to Target to buy garbage bags so we can dispose the cartons that we have at home. Okay, so let's start heading home. I'm just gonna put in my address. There's something going on with my phone that I don't quite understand. Like, it just went blank today and left me in the middle of the road. I didn't even know where I was going to. We got home, and we got home safely. I can't wait for them to put the smart locks on this door because it always locks by itself.
Never thought that I'd be here calling you baby, baby, baby. I don't like wasting my time, I don't like risking it all. Too busy handling mine, too independent to fall. And I don't even know why you make me want to shove. To keep it honey, honey, I think I liar, liar. Now all I do is think about you. Every night lay up with you. Just can't get you off my mind. And you know that's why.
Oh, hi. Yeah, I can hear you.
Good. How are you?
I'm very well. How are you?
I'm doing well. How's the first month of classes been?
It's been crazy, but it's my goodness, it's been crazy. I don't even know how to describe it, but just hanging on. I've heard that it's just the first semester that is like this. As we go on, it gets easier, right?
Yes.
What a relief. So we're having our finals, economics finals next week. I want to start reading that after I'm done with all the many assignments that are due for next week.
Yeah, it's definitely a lot.
Never usually the one who wanna save 'em. Never thought that I'd be here calling you baby, baby, baby.
Standardized over the two numbers, then you can actually compare the percent from one to the other. You can compare Home Depot and Lowe's directly when it's a ratio as opposed to an absolute perspective.
No, I mentioned yesterday that I can do that.
Okay.
I plan on doing that today.
Then I think we'll be in good shape there. So
sounds like we're getting an A+ on it.
I don't really like you, but I try to, so I can't have fun.
just kind of wrap this up and get on the same page.
Isn't economics finals on Wednesday? So if we're having any meeting now, prefer if it was after the meeting.
Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. I think that's what Trevor was saying. So we'll probably scrap that Wednesday. Okay.
So heads up, anybody putting meetings the weekend, I might not be there because I have to focus on economics. So I'm happy to meet today and just knock out everything as much as I can. So we just got a new monitor, guys. Videos are about to be lit. I just finished my stuff at Best Buy and they wanted to give me heart attack because remember how I told you guys that we bought a bunch of stuff last week and I thought it was gonna be a good idea to have buy their purchase plan. Turns out, yeah, man, it's just crazy. I don't even want to talk about it, but anyways, so hungry. I'm sure my baby is also hungry. But anyways, what I was saying, right, only for me to get here today after the money that these guys made me pay, they were not telling me, sorry, you cannot find your protection plan. I'm like, fine. You better go and look for it wherever you people put it though. I'm not even joking with you guys. Do you get? Because that was the whole idea, buying it so that like all the purchases that you see myself even rushing to go and buy a new camera so that this thing takes forever to reroute. Oh, nice.
Turn left onto University Avenue.
So I just changed face. Me that was even looking for how to get discounts. I just told them no, that can't be true. That I have protection plan. And I was asking them that day, this plan that I'm paying for, I hope that get home, I'm going to try and cook and do assignments together and then have him set up the monitor. I'm so happy we have this desktop now. It's like big, it's perfect. We ended up going for the 256 gig. The guy advised us to just go for that because getting the other one would have been $200 more, which obviously we did not have. So we did that and then we got a 5 terabyte hard drive. So we'll just always leave the hard drive connected behind the desktop and use it like that and make sure not to save anything on the desktop, but only on the hard drive.
I don't really like you, but I try to, so I can't have fun. I just roll around town with a frown on the run. Yeah, I'm sick of all my fake friends, and I'm sick of tying up loose ends, and I'm sick of never really knowing when to be real and not pretend, just so I can fit in. Yeah, I never really was your friend. Yeah, that had to come to an end again. Yeah, I'm really done, cause I can't have fun. No, I can't have fun with anyone. Been in my room for too long, writing sad songs for someone. But now I really know how to go, and now I really know how to flow on my lonesome. Feels so wholesome. Now I feel good that I wrote some, so let me quote some. Yeah, I don't really like you, but I try to, so I can't have fun. I just roll around town with a frown on the run.
This is so good. I'm currently using the light I bought. It was definitely worth it. And it goes, you can make it like really bright and dim. I can bring in it all the way. I think this is the lowest, and then it goes bright. I don't want to look directly, if not I'm gonna get blind. But yeah, I think I like it this way. So I'm currently working on my assignment, replacement printer. I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but it finally arrived. That's it over there. Okay, I have a new statement. So I need to remind myself I have to go to the DMV. Is it tomorrow? Is it Anoka? No, there's one at Blaine here. Yeah, they're not open on Saturdays, so I have to do it on Monday. Okay, so let's do income statement. I need to put to make a rural here. I don't want anything too complicated. She has. Fine, please can you check where we put seasoning? I forgot to put thyme and rosemary inside the food, inside the meat. So
okay, for thyme and rosemary, okay.
Yes, thyme and rosemary, and then put small amount. Don't go and pour half of it inside though. Oh?
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye.
Can you